Despego, güey. ¿Cuánto, güey?
Es el que tiene en la mano, güey.
Ah, sí, ¿verdad, güey?
¿Le tiraste el tubo?
Chepa, güey.
What up, yo? My golden rim plug right here. Over at Westside Auto. 4438 5th Avenue, Chicago. Been stepping up over here the past week or so. And I keep running into these bad boy old schools. ¿Mandé?
¿Tú sabes dónde conseguí los clips a los...?
¿Para los moldings?
Ya.
¿Dónde?
Debes.
Oh, yo miré el detrás que... Oh, shit. ¿Son los de plástico blanco?
Ya. No, no son los blancos, son los black.
Pero tienen un agujero... ¿Son de fierro, no? ¿O de lámina? ¿De aluminio?
Ah, no estoy seguro, carnal.
Ah, shit.
I'm not sure. That one?
No, it's for the other side.
No, the other side.
Yeah.
Ahí tengo todo. Lleva, tallado.
Yeah, so el otro clip va atrás de
¿Sabes
eso.
por qué me enamoré del camino?
Ah,
Porque cuando el pinche Sauceu se lo ganó.
el azul.
Ya.
El pinche Iván. Yeah.
Por eso dije, no, ese puto carro yo lo quiero tener.
Ese estaba chingón. Ese se lo agarré a un
6
amigo.
cilindros.
¿Quién se lo agarré? A un pintor que viene de Los Ángeles. Allá en la Pulaski, la Archer.
Ya, y no.
¿Ernie o Freddy?
No, es Freddy.
Trabaja del callejón.
Sí, creo que es Freddy.
So, ese vato...
¿Te lo ganaste en la rifa?
No, yo se lo compré.
No, fue en una rifa.
No, el azul yo se lo compré a al
No,
pintor.
era el-
A Blue Camino.
Ya.
Yo se lo pagué.
Pero traía el front original.
Ese era el front original.
Ya.
Y
Ahorita lo que quiero es que le arreglen todos los pinches detalles. Ahora
¿Quién
sí
te
que
lo va-
son lujos que uno...
¿quién te lo va a pintar?
Ah, no. Voy a buscar quien me lo pinte bien.
Yeah.
Que le arregle todos los detalles. Pero
Nada
que
más
le
te
dé
faltan esas. ¿No tiene dónde las piezas?
Ahí las tengo.
No, pero los clips. ¿No tienes ninguno?
No.
¿Ni el roto?
Ya conseguí uno. ¿Sabes con quién? Con el puto del Yacht.
Yeah.
Uno de los originales de los viejos.
¿Sabe? Ahí tengo una tienda. ¿Está en DeKalb o I'll find the information right now. Parece que se llama Year One.
No,
Tiene
es que
puro...
para esos carros siempre se rebatean.
Yeah, you'll find it. Sí
Pero
hay.
ahora sí que no es... Lo quiero tener en la colección, pero ya voy a quitarme mamadas.
Yeah, you gotta put them together, bro.
5 cars por $2,000. Blacks. 5 cars. 2,000. Complete.
¿Los compraste?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, okay.
Pero
Más todo lo que le
$4.
pusiste.
$4.
Okay.
Pero tú sabes que esos
Oh,
yo lo puedo hacer más feo.
yeah,
En partes.
yeah.
¿No? Tú sabes que igual que tú y yo andamos en el puto negocio. ¿No?
Yeah, man, no se le puede poner mucho tiempo.
Se lo güey.
Nice little. Make sure these bad boys in.
Quiere ser sol, pero para la faca, ¿no?
Ooh, he wants a LS swap in this bad boy. You need a two hand on this one. That's the ghetto alarm right there. You gotta hold this up. It was just done. Idle's down a little bit on this bad boy. That oil light should turn off. You check your oil? Dash is intact. Oh, it looks like it might have been redone. Still looking good though. Somebody out there got an El Camino. I need that. be a Camino. It could be a Caballero, the GMC Caballero. I need one of these bad boys in my life. Horn works. That's that ghetto alarm again, my boy. You gotta hold this up. You gotta hold the shifter up. Get the key out. Got the little cowboy seat right there. Stop it. What do you got right there, my boy? What is that, a farm? Oh, it is a horse. Fucking Mr. Red right there. Alright, car number 2. We got this Chevy Caprice. Look like it just got sprayed. Original interior. Manual windows. Bright ass pinstripe, my boy. You got that pinstripe fire engine red. You got that motherfucker right. Oh, there's a car back there. My bad. Two-tone, silver gray. The brand new Velanos. It's a new style. These Velanos just came out. And Vellano just came out with the XL floating cap. So you got XL floating cap, new style, Vellano, double bubble, wildwood brakes, 6-piston, new suspension, big brakes. I'm only gonna assume it's got some big power. Shortened rear end, 7-inch lip. Frame notch, shortened rear end. Trailing arms. She clean, my boy, she clean. Today is the day to pick it up. Pull up to the circle. That's gonna be happening. Oh, wait a minute. I stand corrected, my boy. This is not a frame notch. No frame notch, shortened rear end. That's actually not bad. It's not a bad deal right there. If you don't got a frame notch or tub and have a big lip, that's a win-win. It's a 7-inch lip, frame notch, no tub, no frame notch. Just shortened, yeah, damn. Like a billet? That's sweet. 7-inch lip. Yeah, that looks good. I asked the man over there, Christopher. No frame notch, no tub, just a shortened rear end. So that's not a bad deal right there. Pull that all day. And we got the Chevelle over here. These happen to have a lot more room. You could put an 11 wide wheel in the back. You still get a 5-inch lip, but you don't have to do much to get an 11-inch wheel back there. You can see he's got the extended studs right there. Extended studs. Disc brakes, 4-piston wheel woods. Yup, no frame notch. I'm looking at the frame right here. There's no frame notch needed. Shortened rear end. You can probably see way back there. You got the coilovers. That's a square lower control arm. So you got trailing arm down there. Wheel wood discs. Wheel wood calipers. Velanos, VSKs. You got some rubber out here, rubber back here. It's from the little burnouts. My boy doing them little burnouts over there, my boy. Red interior. Okay, look like they're still putting it together. Dashboard's taken apart, probably getting wrapped. Interior looks brand new. Looks like they haven't even sat in this joint. So it's riding. It's spinning them rear tires. So that's a good thing. And I'm looking at the paint. It's got like a pearl on it. It's like I don't know if you can see it right there with the sun. Right here is red, but all this is just solid gray. Right here with the sun, there's like a pearl, like a red pearl on there. That's sharp. The black grille, aftermarket headlight. 3-inch lip on the front Volano. More and more people are, there's a 24 in the front. More and more people are going with a 2-inch lip. You see the pearl right here. I can see it on my screen. Right here, it's got a nice pearl on there. The sun is hitting it, and it's changing the color right there. That's nice. More and more of my wheel orders are coming in with a 1-inch lip. Versus, that's a 3-inch lip. No, I'm sorry. That's a 3-inch lip. More and more orders are coming in with a 2-inch lip, which that comes out to be 1 inch on the outside. 1 inch is exposed. So right here, this is a 3-inch lip, 3-inch outer, but with the face there, it comes out to about 2 inches there. So that just gives it that much more of an offset appearance when you go 2-inch lip in the front, 7-inch lip in the back. It stands out way, way, way more. Again, guys, check me out, lock me in, like, subscribe, share that shit, my boy, share that shit. 2025, bringing you the content, my boy, bringing you the content. This is, again, this is work done by Chris over at Westside Auto. Westside Auto Repair. I'm gonna pull their Instagram up on my phone so you can peep it. They're usually like the top one as soon as I type in W. Westside Auto Repair 4438 on IG. And there goes my car. It's the 4th from the last. Oh, there goes me right there, my boy. There goes your boy. Holding up the car. This bad boy just got did. Live action right there. That one just got done. That's one of the final posts. Those are gone. Ooh, car. And I haven't seen them post up the Chevelle, so you've seen it here first, my boy. It might be going back in. I'm just assuming that it's gonna get picked up. It might be going back in, it might not be done. But I did see that the 2-door box Chevy was announced that it was done. So that one is done. So at any given time, you guys can come by, talk to Chris, get a or contact them on Instagram, get a quote on some suspension work. Tow trucks on deck. War Towing, 773-815-6356. You need a flatbed, you can hit me up. That's me in the back with the flatbed joint. Day and night towing, 708-705-7054. Boom. El Camino, somebody has an El Camino for sale. Stock, I don't want any of your music, I don't want any of your wheels. As stock as possible. Don't gotta be showroom clean. But I got about a good, I don't know, let me see what I got in my pocket right here. Got a good 550 bucks right here for an El Camino. Let me know. Back to the box Chevy. Clean Billie Jean. And the Chevelle. We out.